Hi guys, ngayon ay didiscuss natin ay kung paano hanapin yung equation ng line. Okay, so meron lang tayong tatlong paraan para hanapin yung equation ng line. Okay, so yung una, yung 2 points formula, sunod yung point slope formula, pangatlo yung slope intercept formula. So unahin natin itong 2 points formula. So itong 2 points formula, kinakailangan meron kang given na 2 points wherein i-treat natin yung 2 points, yung isa as P1, tapos i-label natin yung coordinates as x sub 1, y sub 1, yung pangalang points naman as P2, tapos i-label natin yung coordinates din as x sub 2 and y sub 2. Tapos ang gagawin lang natin ay i-substitute dito sa formula na y minus y sub 1 is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Okay, so para makita natin kung paano ito gawin, okay, meron tayong example. Okay, so suppose we are asked to find kung ano yung equation ng line na may points na 4, 6, and 3, 1. So, ibig sabihin yung line, dadaan lang dito sa 2 points. Okay. So, as mentioned earlier, na yung first point i-treat natin na P1, tapos yung pangalawa as P2. Tapos yung mga coordinates as x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 1 natin yung 4, y sub 1 natin yung 6, x sub 2 natin yung 3, y sub 2 natin yung 8. So by substitution, gamitin natin yung formula. We have y minus ang y sub 1 natin is 6 is equals to yung y sub 2 natin is 8, then minus y sub 1 which is 6 all over x sub 2 is 6. 3, minus ang x sub 1 natin ay 4 times x minus yung x sub 1 natin na 4. Tapos, i-simplify ito. Ang result ay y minus 6 is equals to negative 2 times x minus times the quantity of x minus 4. Tapos, simplifying again, ang result ay y minus 6 is equals to, by distributive property, we have negative 2x, negative 2 times negative 4 magiging positive 8. Okay, so kung gusto natin, ang equation natin ay yung y in terms of x, yung negative 6, i-transpose natin sa kabila. So, paano natin yan i-transpose? Mag-add lang tayo sa both sides ng positive 6. Positive 6 para itong negative 6, ma-0 siya. Tapos may transfer sa kabila. So, magiging y equals negative 2x plus 4. So, ito yung equation ng line na nandoon yung dalawang points yung given. So, itong line dadaan doon sa dalawang points na given kanina. Okay. So, how about kung mayroon tayong slope intercept formula? So, the same way, 2 points formula, gagamitin natin ito pag given yung slope, tapos pag given din yung intercept. Itong intercept, ito yung y-intercept. Kung saan dadaan yung line sa y-axis na 0 yung x coordinate or abscissa. So, dapat given yung slope at saka yung y-intercept. Tapos, ang formula lang natin ay y equals mx plus b yung m yung slope, yung b yung intercept. Okay, so, example. Suppose ang slope ng line ay 9. So, again, yung slope, ito yung rise over line. Okay, kung saan nag-slanting yung line. Tapos, suppose ang y-intercept ng line ay 1. So, paano mahanap yung equation niya? So, by substitution, magiging y equals 9x plus 1. So, ganun lang kasimple itong slope intercept formula. Unlike sa una na kinakailangan natin mag-simplify na medyo mahaba. Okay, so yung third way of finding the equation of the line is yung point slope formula. So, the same with previous, in which dapat given yung slope at saka yung point. So, imbis na maging imbis na given yung intercept, ang given dito na kasama ng slope ay yung point. Okay, so paano natin ito gamitin? So, pag given yung slope at saka yung isang point, itrato din natin na P1, tapos ilabel natin yung coordinates as x sub 1, y sub 1. So, by substitution, ang equation natin ay y minus y sub 1 is equals to m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So, example. Suppose ang slope ng line ay 9, tapos dadaan siya sa point na 2, 1. So, itong 2, i-level natin nasa x sub 1 and then y sub 1. So, by substitution, magiging y minus 1 is equals to, ang slope natin ay 9 times the quantity of x minus ang x sub 1 natin ay 2. So, dito kailangan din ng simplification unlike sa kanina na isang substitution lang, mayroon na tayong line. So, by substitution, for example lang, gusto natin magkaroon ng equation y in terms of x. So, yung negative 1 kanina, kailangan i-transpose natin sa kabila. So, mag-add lang tayo. Magiging y equals 9x minus 18 plus 1, or we have y equals 9x minus 17. So, ito yung equation ng line na may point tapos may slope. Okay. So, that's all for today, guys. Discuss natin din sa sunod yung pangalawang discussion about lines.